Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you my I don't want to say like my face but better, but like my face but enhanced, because your face is already good. Your face is great. But we're gonna take it up, we're gonna enhance those features, we're gonna make everything pop, make us look a little bit more awake, refreshed, and feeling good, feeling confident. I know it's kind of tough to put on a full face right now, obviously because we're going out wearing masks, so I feel like this is the perfect look that I've been rocking every single day. Anytime I have to leave the house, this is the look that I have on. It's so fast, so easy. And I also want to say thank you to Sephora for partnering with us on today's video. So exciting. I'm going to be showing you their Sephora Favorites Hello sample set right here. I'm going to be showing you what comes in it. And it's literally 6 samples for $10. $10? I'll go ahead and talk about this right now more in the video, but if you guys want to be on your little Bella Hadid fresh face vibe, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright you guys, so this is the Sephora Favorites Hello set right here. I'm going to go ahead and open this up for you and show you what's inside. Ooh, we got a little makeup ASMR. One thing I do love about this, besides the fact that it's literally 10 bucks, is that you get to see what products you're going to be trying out before you purchase. That way you can see if there's any products in there that you've been wanting to try or check out, and maybe even a mix of products you've never even heard of that you can try for yourself. First things first, we have this Coralie Purifying Gel Cleanser. I am going to use this before we even start on the face, because before I do my makeup, I always cleanse my skin, you guys. That is absolutely the first step to having this like perfected, my skin but better, no makeup look. Then we have this Ren Clean Skincare AHA Smart Renewal Body Serum, and I've talked about this recently, but I've just gotten into like body skincare. Obviously we do like body butters, maybe some oils, some lotions, things like that, but I feel like I was really neglecting my body on using serums. Obviously we use skincare on our face, we exfoliate, we use serums to keep ourselves nice and hydrated, all those things, but we don't do them on our body. Why? Why? This is a moisturizing body serum that leaves your skin looking radiant and naturally exfoliated for a nice glow. I need this especially on my legs, okay? I smell good. This next product is the Way Hair Oil. As a matter of fact, I'm really about to try these out because I want to know what I got. I want to try it out with you guys. When you guys get your hands on your set, if you guys are going to pick this up, I want to know what you guys think about all these products. I'm definitely feeling the low sleek bun look. It's like that model off-duty style. Then we've got some Versace Bright Crystal perfume. I love perfume samples because they're so easy to take on the go with you. You can just stick this in your purse and you're always going to be smelling good. Then we've got this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Micro Finishing Powder, or their translucent powder as you might know it as. This is going to be perfect for touching up those oily spots on our face. I do have dry skin, but a lot of the products they use are super hydrating, so this is going to keep it in place. But I'll get into that more when we actually do the look right now. Last but certainly not least, we have the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. And I literally love this mascara. I've used it many times. You guys are going to see. This is going to give our lashes that pop that we need. This paper right here is actually made of little cards that you can separate to redeem for full-size products. 15% off. I really love a deal, especially right now. It's about to be the holidays. We're going to be spending money. I need these deals, okay? You can redeem these in-store or online. They have little codes if you want to use them online as well. So this is just... I'll go ahead and leave a link down below in the description so you guys can check it out for yourself. Let me know what you think. Let's get this tutorial going. We're just going to start off by cleansing our skin. I'm telling you, nothing makes me feel better than having a nice clean face right before I put my makeup on, because everything goes on so smoothly. Pink with my little bun. After you've washed that off, you can just go in with whatever your regular skincare routine is. I like to use a nice vitamin C serum in the daytime, as well as like a nice like lightweight but hydrating moisturizer. There's a big difference between me with no makeup on when I first wake up in the morning and me with no makeup on after like an hour of me waking up and washing my face and doing my skincare. I'm like a brand new person. That's already the first steps. Next, super important step, sunscreen. I really love this one. It's the Supergoop Glow Stick Sunscreen in SPF 50. I use this one pretty much every day. It's a stick, so it's super easy to apply. It's like an oil stick. So if you have oily skin, you definitely might not be into this, but I really think it gives a natural shine and like youthful look to the skin. Sunscreen is so important. It is so important to protect your skin. Then going in with a tinted face oil. Can you guys hear that? This is the Kosas Tinted Face Oil in the shade 5.5. It's very sheer, so most of the shades will just kind of sheer out on your skin. But you can see it's super liquidy. Obviously it's an oil, so duh. I like to apply it with a sponge, and it just gives you that bit of coverage that evens out your skin tone. So you can already see, look at that. Versus this. Being a face oil, honestly, the coverage that it gives you, it is a light coverage, but it's so like perfecting. It just makes you look so much more even. And if I'm not mistaken, this product won like an Allure Beauty Award, so it's pretty good. It's like what I imagine my skin looks like without makeup on. In my imagination, in my dreams. I'm gonna go ahead and take a pause from the skin really quick, and I'm gonna move on to brows. I usually would do brows first, but I thought since we already were doing our sunscreen, I wanted to kind of even out my face a little bit. We're actually gonna be using a new product that I've really been loving for like a natural brow. This is the Brow Micro Filling Pen from Benefit. I am in the shade Deep Brown. Basically, it's like a microblading pen. It's got 3 little pens in one, and it's supposed to mimic the look of hair strokes. And just go over where the hair naturally already grows. This is perfect also if you have like gaps or like sparse areas in your brow, because it's gonna make it look like it has hair there. Then to make them look more fluffy and just set them in place, I'm going to take the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. This is like my everyday vibe. I have to use this product literally every single day. It is amazing. One end is more like a paddle and the other one is more like a bristle brush. I like to dip into the product first and then go in with like the paddle side and put that right over the hairs, almost laminating them into place. And going in with the bristles and putting the hairs into place, just brushing them however I want. Your brows are stuck, so make sure you like where you put them. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Bronzer in the shade Macchiato. This is also an everyday one for me. This is something that I always use. So it's a little bit more on the warm side, so it's not necessarily a contour shade, but it's gonna add a lot of color and dimension to our face. Just going in with my little Sephora 56 brush, right at the cheekbones. And I always like to do concealer after I do like a contour or after I do a bronzer, as long as it's like a cream product, just because I think it blends together really well that way. And my hair should be nice and stuck now, so it shouldn't be going anywhere. Even if I put the brush over there, like, you see how it just adds a little bit more dimension, a little bit more color, kind of gives us like that sun-kissed look, like we've been out in the sun. We haven't even left our house for the day, okay? We haven't even left the house, period. Nobody's gonna tell us, hey, you look tired today. Nobody's gonna say that. Nobody should ever say that. Even if you do look tired today, nobody should ever come up to you. When have you ever thought to come up to somebody and be like, hey, you look tired today? What was the reason? I probably am tired. No, I'm sick and tired. I'm not a huge fan of my nose shape, I'm gonna be honest, so I pretty much always hit a little nose contour, but it doesn't have to be anything too crazy. It doesn't have to be too harsh. It doesn't have to be too out there. I know we're doing a very much no makeup look, but I feel like this just adds a little bit of shape as well. So I like to take that same cream bronzer and I'm just gonna take that up the sides of my nose, blending it into the brow. And for the tip of my nose, I always just go right underneath and then right on top. I just think it adds like a little nose tip that I don't really have. I have a very much like a round nose in the front, so it just adds a little something for me. Now it's time for concealer. Concealer is a lifesaver. If I literally had one product, well, I'll say 2. If I had 2 products that I need to choose, those are the only products I could wear from now on. I would probably choose a brow gel and a concealer. Concealer is the life changer. Concealer is like the break the glass in case of emergency. That is what concealer is for me. I really like a lightweight coverage for my face, but when it comes to underneath my eyes, I really just want to look like I have no under eye. I want to look like I've slept every day for my entire life. But for this kind of look, I really like to take the Beauty Blender Bounce Airbrush Liquid Whip Concealer. Sorry, I didn't know what the full name was, so I had to check for it real quick. I use this shade Medium Buff. It's 3.10C. I feel like this has a little bit of peachiness to it that helps conceal any type of dark under eye circles. So you can just go ahead and dab that across. I like to take it all the way up because I feel like it helps lift the face a little bit. So I'm just gonna take a few dots, nothing too crazy. Well, maybe a little crazy. And then just take it upward. And then wherever you need a little bit more of concealer. This might look a lot for like a no makeup look, but it really does take it to the next level. the brightness of the concealer is also gonna make us look really, really awake. On an average day, this look literally takes me maybe 5 minutes. So simple, so easy. Next, for one of my absolute favorite, perfect beauty products I've talked about before. You guys have seen me talk about this before. This is the Patrick Ta Major Beauty Headlines Cream and Powder Blush Duo in She's That Girl. I literally can't even go out of the house without this product on. That's how serious I am about it. I use this product every day, whether it's the cream side or whether it is the powder side. For this type of look, I like to go in with the cream side, and I take my same little sponge right here, or you can use a different sponge if you'd like, and I just pat that in. It has a lot of pigment to it. This also, once again, is going to help lift the face. And now we are literally perfected and glowing. We don't even need a highlight, because look at this. Look at this glow. Look at this natural glow. If you ever want to know about what highlight I'm wearing, it's called Grease, okay? Time to go ahead and get our setting powder ready right here. The Makeup Forever HD Micro Finishing Powder in Translucent. Let's go ahead and open her up. I've definitely used this before. It is super translucent, no tint to it. So basically what it's going to do is just finish off the skin to make sure that we're not greasy and our makeup isn't sliding around throughout the day. So you can go ahead and just go in with a nice fluffy brush. This is the Sephora 79 brush. And I like to just put some right here in the lid. Once again, really, really good for on the go. See a little powder in the air. This is really, really good for taking on the go with you because you can use it to touch up your face throughout the day. Just start to go around areas lightly where you know that you crease. I crease right here around my mouth, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some on here. And I definitely crease under my eyes, so I'm gonna pat some right under there. Perfect for HD. And it really just helps perfect everything. I also crease on my lids. I don't know if you guys get that too. And a little bit in my T-zone. So now we're still glowing, but we're set. Okay, we are set. Moving on to lashes. I went ahead and curled my lashes really quick. Definitely always, always, always curl your lashes. It does make a big difference, honestly. I'm going in with that Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, you guys. I'm just doing my best. When I'm going for a more natural face, I only put mascara on the top lashes. I really feel like it helps brighten up the under eye. We're not adding anything there, and it really lifts the eyes as well. That's like my little tip for you guys, because I really love doing that. Like, I don't know if you noticed, but lately, even when I do my eyeshadow, I pretty much always only put eyeshadow on the top lid. The bottom is also a look, but it really looks a lot more open and like elongated as well when you just only put it on the top. Next step, you just go in again, curl those lashes one more time after the product's been applied, and you are good to go. Like I told you guys, this mascara was good. Look, I naturally have little to no lashes, okay? They are very short, very thin. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be using that 15% off on this mascara. Last but certainly not least, we have lips. I'm gonna be using the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner in the shade Pillow Talk. And this is a beautiful blush pink tone, but it's not overly pink. It definitely matches with like a nice pigment of the lips, and these do come in different depths, so you can use them for different skin tones and different lip shades. So now we have just a little bit of pout to the lips, but this right here, definitely one of my current favorite products of all time. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm in the shade Latte Lip. Super hydrating, it feels amazing, smells good, it's got a little bit of pigment to it, but not too much. It is absolutely the perfect My Lips But Better type of shade. This is where it's at. And just like that, we're looking alive, awake, and refreshed. Like I said, totally a difference between no makeup first thing in the morning and just putting on a little bit of products that enhance the face. And it's mask friendly because we definitely did go ahead and set our face so that we're not gonna be slipping and sliding all over the place throughout the day. And this is just my recent go-to. I'm loving it. Do not forget to check out the Sephora Favorites Hello set. It'll be down below in my description like I said. Let me know down below in the comments which product you're most interested in trying out. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.